Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Handling no such file or directory error in Python on Linux. Introduction. When working with file operations in Python on a Linux system, you may encounter the no such file or directory error. This error typically occurs when trying to perform operations on a file or directory that does not exist at the specified path. In this tutorial, we will explore common scenarios leading to this error and demonstrate how to handle it effectively using Python code. Common scenarios. Handling the error. To handle the no such file or directory error, we can use Python's os and os.path modules along with exception handling. The os.path module provides functions for common path manipulations, and exception handling allows us to gracefully manage errors. In this example, the read_file function attempts to open and read the content of a file specified by FileNotFoundError. If the file does not exist, a FileNotFoundError is raised, and we catch it to display a custom error message. Creating directories dynamically. To handle scenarios where you need to create directories dynamically, you can use the os.makeDirs function. This function creates intermediate directories if they don't exist. In this example, the create_directory function attempts to create a directory specified by directory_path. If the directory already exists, a file exists error is raised, and we catch it to display a custom error message. Conclusion. Handling the no such file or directory error in Python on Linux involves utilizing the os and os.path modules along with exception handling. By anticipating and gracefully managing these errors, your Python scripts can become more robust and user-friendly. ChatGPT.